John.
Ron, you look a little beat up.
I look a little pink, a little peaked.
Yeah, a little peaked.
You know when you're with Johnny Starr when you come home from a demo in the back of a panel van sitting on tons of fireworks.
It's the way I roll.
That's well. We'll put a picture right here. We were actually in a panel van on the way home. We couldn't get a car out here. We're in Mobile, Alabama, site of the NFA Spring Expo. And what do you think about that podcast we recorded last night?
Podcast was really, really great and very informative of what the NFA does for everybody and our industry. Definitely do not want to miss definitely do not want to miss that we're doing on YouTube. Right, the interview's on YouTube.
Well, no. The interview right now is on fireworksbrigade.com, just on the podcast. We'll try and get it on YouTube later, but we want to let all our YouTube subscribers know to go to fireworksbrigade.com and listen to the most recent podcast, because a great interview with Steve Hauser, President NFA, Ed Vassell, Vice President NFA. It was like an hour long, a lot of great info. So if you just watch us on YouTube, go over to fireworksbrigade.com or Spotify, iTunes, wherever you get podcasts, listen to that. It was a great interview with Steve and Ed. We're about to go into the hospitality room here. We're going to record another podcast. Did you hear the boat horns over there?
Boat horns over there.
Mobile, Alabama. Yeah, so we're going to go record another one. And you know what? Stay tuned. We will, tonight was a great demo. We'll play the Great Grizzly finale, which is a great finale.
That was a great finale. It was a great two demos. We had a Hail demo and we had a Great Grizzly demo.
Right.
Which is NCI. And there was a great demo, and what a great weekend! What a great week out here for NFA. The weather turned nice today. We had a rainstorm earlier, but that turned real nice. And then also we had a tour of the port yesterday, and it was just fantastic. So a lot of good information for this Spring Festival NFA.
I think yesterday you said it was like a boutique type of convention.
A boutique convention, definitely.
Yeah,
a lot smaller, a little more intimate, but really some good knowledge. We had a great seminar today on
social media.
Helping social media advertising for your company. That was really informative. We may see us now on Facebook now with Fireworks Brigade, only because we learned so much at this.
We need Facebook help
at this convention. So it really was very good.
Bottom line, a lot of great information from Ed and Steve. Go over to fireworksbrigade.com, Spotify, iTunes, wherever you get podcasts. Listen to it. It's worth the listen, and enjoy.
Look at Ron, the ferry boat's pulling in. See that? See them all dancing up there?
There you go.
It's a paddle wheel boat, but the paddle wheel's not moving. So obviously, that's all fake.
It's not really a paddle wheel.
No. But they look like they're having a good time, and here we are making a video. But they're over there dancing, drinking, and here we are.
They're too young. They're too young for us.
It's always about work with him.
All right. See everyone.
All right, thanks to the NFA, and Tom, I'll let you take it away with the finale. Thank you.
Great job, AJ. Great job, NCI. Well, that concludes all the demos. Went out with a bang. I think we all decided up here in the booth we wanted that last cake that they shot. You know that? I think he had 3 of them. They were huge. Just a joke, bad joke. All right. Don't forget the Afterglow tonight. We still have our last night of the Afterglow. It's been a very successful NFA. Once again, my thanks go out to Mr. John Hilliard for letting us use this place. Everybody give him a round of applause. He has been a saint. I hope you all like Mobile. What you think of this place? Yeah, this is a good place. Top-notch facilities, top-notch town. So, anyways, everybody have a safe trip back. We'll see you at the Afterglow. Trying to think if there's anything else to wrap up. I think that's just about it. Yep. All right, everybody. We'll see you later.